How to check the graphics card in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to delve into the process of checking your graphics card in Windows 11. So let's kick things off by exploring two distinct methods for this. The initial approach involves using the DirectX diagnostic tool, while the second method entails checking through the task manager. In order to initiate the DirectX method, simply press on Windows key and R button in your keyboard at the same time. A run window will open, and here type DXDIAG and click on enter. And this DirectX diagnostic tool will promptly materialize. This tool offers an in-depth look at various aspects of your computer hardware, including the CPU, RAM, BIOS, and of course the graphics card. To specifically examine the graphics card, click on the Display tab over here, and you will find the details such as card's name of the manufacturer and the video memory size. Now moving on to the second option, let's venture into the Task Manager. Right-click on the Windows icon over here and tap on Task Manager and navigate to the Performance tab over here just next to the Processes. From there, click on GPU, which represents your primary graphics card. And that's all there is to it. This is how you can check the graphics card in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.